I'm gonna go home now, Cheerios. I can come with you if you want.
That'll be good. I'm too scared on my own.
Okay. You know what the weird thing is? Our parents are still letting us roam outside at night.
That's probably because they're all stupid. Mine swallowed toy cars, for God's sake.
True.
Thanks for walking me back. Good night, Crunchy Nut.
Night, Cheerios. See you tomorrow. Actually, I don't want to jinx myself. Well, bye anyway.
Whatever.
Bye. Oi!
Oh my God.
This murdering thing's getting way out of hand. I mean, now my son is dead.
But sir!
Sir, I beg your pardon. You're fired.
But I know who the murderer is.
You're hired. Who?
Your friend Chris, who just came back from Lockmore.
No, what makes you think that?
Look, it's all in the notes. It all makes sense. He just came back to Lockmore, didn't he? And he was here at the exact same time as the three murders happened.
So was the milkman.
All a coincidence. But when you were talking to him, he got very angry when he started speaking about detective school.
What? Did he?
Yes, he did. Look. Anyway, you said that you got him kicked out of detective school. Like, maybe he's still angry with you.
No, never happens.
Yes, it all makes sense. All the victims was friends of your son. And,
Yeah.
look, it says in here, he killed the three people to weaken your son, right? And it's all been to get at you.
Well, that's a very nice theory, Gwen. But there's still one person left in the group of friends.
Well, let's go on Cheerios then. What are you waiting for?
Wait, I'm meant to be sad. What do you want?
This.
Ow! Ow! What?
Why aren't you
Ow!
dying?
What? Oh, go away. All right. We're too late.
Well, I'm just going to say this. If you got better things to sort out your damn car insurance.
Dad.
Well, no. You! Oh, the murderer.
Oh well, you finally figured it out then. Took it a couple more days, but I underestimated your brain power.
You're going to pay for this, but not before this.
What are you doing? I'm on your side. We're a team.
Yes, but quite frankly, you are an idiot. And this way, I will get all the credit and all the love that I deserve for uncovering the truth of this case.
But we did it together.
No, we didn't. I did all the work, and you just went along with what I said. You're a moron, and I deserve your job. I'm a lot better than you.
You don't have to be mean about it.
So I'm afraid I'm just gonna have to kill you.
Not before I do.
Great, now I have two guns pointing at me. This is really confusing.
You two will stop me from getting out of here, and I need to get out of here. I'm gonna have to kill you both.
Well, actually, you're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna let you kill me, so I'm gonna kill you.
I'm not going to let you get away with that. Right, we all have a gun pointed at us.
Yes, you do.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm a random person who likes sticking her nose in other people's business.
Why are you gonna kill me?
Because you're trying to kill him to get his job. Why me? I'm sorry, but you're an idiot.
Why me?
Because I just don't like you. Remember these 3 things. Drive safely, guns and knives can be dangerous, and the most important of all, watch your cereal.